Listen up, dry scalps. Okay?
So as promised, picking up right where we left off, here are the dry befores and this is the after. Stay tuned to see exactly how I styled. Oh, look, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Fine Coils. It's your girl Sharice and my niece Destiny. This is part 2, and this is going to be the styling process. So we're gonna pick up right where we left off.
So I'm going in with the Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. This is very important. You guys know I stress this. If you have low porosity hair, it is best to add your leave-ins while you're in the shower. This is where you get most of your moisture. And I like to just twist my hair up because, of course, I come into the camera to show you guys.
So for our leave-in, we are going in with the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. And this is from their new Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Now, with low porosity hair, you want to use the LCO method for moisturizing and for locking in moisture. And so, as you guys know from part 1, I washed her hair with hot water. So she's not in the shower, so I couldn't apply her leave-in while she was in the shower, and I wouldn't trust her to. But I am right out of the sink while her hair is still steamy and her scalp is still moist. I am going in with the leave-in, and I'm making sure to get it nice and fully saturated. I'm getting it into her scalp and completely into her strands and her ends. And then for the C, we are going in with the As I Am Double Butter Cream. I can't stand all these long titles, but you guys know I love this cream for sealing in moisture. When I do the LOC method for locking in moisture, this is always my C after I do my L and my O, which is my leave-in and my oil. But since she's low porosity, we are doing the LCO. So we've done the leave-in, we are now doing the C, which is the cream. And I'm making sure to get it in. Her hair is still soaking wet and fully saturated with the leave-in. So now we're just locking in with the second line of defense with that cream. And I am going to just twist up each section to kind of keep it nice and still warm and moisturized, kind of lock in that moisture until I can get to all of the sections. Real quick, let me know, when y'all do y'all kids' hair, do they move their head a lot? Because as y'all see, I'm damn near fighting with her to keep her head still. Lord, and I'm losing. Jeez. But anyways, like I said, if you are high porosity, you would want to use the LOC method, the lock method. So that is leave-in, oil, and then cream or sealant. And then for styling, you can go in with your gel or your twisting cream. And if you are low porosity, and this is for most of you ladies because most people are low porosity, you would want to use the LCO method, the leave-in, the cream, and then the oil or sealant or gel or whatever you're using. But what that's going to do is, since your cuticles are tightly sealed, and you used hot water while you were washing your hair, you've raised them a little bit. So as the water in your hair starts to cool, your cuticles start to close up. So you've put in leave-in, you put this cream on as, like I said, a second line of defense, and then you put in oil. So as your hair starts to get cold again and cools all the way up and your strands seal, it seals in 3 layers of moisture. And then, you know, you avoid dry hair, which then leads to breakage. So I have completely, and I'm not using anything to detangle her hair. As you guys can see, I'm using my fingers. That is the work of the bentonite clay mask that we did. It softens the strands so much that it virtually melts all of your tangles away. So on to the O.
Girl, hold this. I can put your hair. Like a fire, start on the drops. And remember, stop playing your hair so tight. Oh, you don't snatch all your little hair out. You're a little dry in here, but it's not bad. Your braids are supposed to last a long time. My mom will take her hair down in a week, right?
No.
You're gonna have no hair. Yeah.
So as you guys seen, I'm using 2 oils on Destiny's hair because her hair is just really dry, and I don't know what she does with her hair when I'm not here, so I'm just trying to set her up for success, y'all. That's all I'm trying to do. So I'm putting the Main Choice Growth Oil, and there's a couple of other oils, a little bit of my Owl Mix mixed into that bottle. So I'm putting that on the length of her hair to lock in moisture. And then I'm going to, in another clip, you guys are going to watch me actually moisturize her scalp with the Miracle BB Judy drops, and that of course is to promote growth and stimulate the scalp. And yeah, she needs it badly, y'all. She needs it. So she should at least get a week's worth of moisture, so long as she's at least just sleeping on a satin pillow or putting a cap on her head at night. She'll get a week's worth of moisture from this. So yeah, and after this, I'm going to go in with some gel, and we're going to do a wash and go, but we're going to do a puff and bang wash and go. So you guys stay tuned. What are you singing? Yeah, my boy. Is that what you're saying?
Oh, that's my cousin? Hey, yeah. You ain't put me on that.
Yes, he did, and you know it. I had to admit it too, because he had put me on it too.
Man, that big one that was in elementary.
What the? He did.
Alright.
I still know my teacher about him in elementary.
Stop always killing me.
Ooh, your hair looks so pretty. Now she don't know how to act because her hair is fully moisturized properly. I can't. But those ends of hers where you see the color is really bright, that is just over processed hair. And so that the frizz is, I can't tame the frizz there. There's really nothing that I can do for that frizz on those over processed ends. All she can do is get her ends trimmed, and as I mentioned in the other video, I am not a professional. I will trim my own hair, but I will not be responsible for trimming someone else's hair and messing up and all that, you know, blase please. So yeah, she would either have to go to a professional or have her mom do it. And I know y'all see her throwing that noggin, right? I can't. Why you just can't sit still? Her hair looks so good and it feels so good too.
I need to see my hair. Oh, that look good. I'll break it. Ooh, that's cold. Look at that.
The BB Judy drops.
The BB Judy drop.
You just, I watched that and you said it.
Put your
That's like she's smiling.
So her hair is completely moisturized and sealed using the LCO method for her low porosity hair. I am now just massaging in that BB Judy oil into her scalp so it stimulates growth and gets the blood flowing. And then I'm going to go on to the styling process. The 2 oils was optional. It's just her hair was really dry and needed it. So, and I wanted to promote growth. So, for the styling process, I have sectioned off her bangs, and I'm using my favorite Wet Line Extreme Gel, and I've got a couple of ththese spiral elasties, a diamond brush for definition, And we getting right into it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm not really going to say too much for this last part because what is there really to say? Just watch me style it, you know? Again, her hair is really smooth, so this portion was real easy. But I know y'all see that shine, yes. That shine, honey. Sorry, I'm gonna shut up now. You guys can enjoy this process. Really quick, I am doing her wash and go the same exact way I do my own wash and goes. It's just hers is in a puff. So I'm putting a little bit of gel on it. I'm running it through the length of her hair. I'm using the Demon brush to kind of smooth out, not really for detangling, but for smoothing the hair. And then I am using the shingling method where I break a piece off and clump and shingle the curl, kind of just reinforce that curl. And I'm going to do this to the entire puff and also to her bang.
Overseas nigga. Top floor, clear wonders nigga. Glass house. Back in GT. You understand? We in that red light district. You understand me? 3 and 1, that means 3 on me, nigga. You understand me?
And once you're completely done, well, for her bang part, I'm just gonna scrunch to kind of, you know, help that curl clump and help those curls form. And we are complete. This is her hair while it is wet. We are completely done. And I just want to thank you guys for watching and Destiny for being my model. Really quick, I did change out that little thing that I put in her hair and I put in a puff cuff. I got this from Target for $4.99 and it's by Cantu. Again, like I said, thank you again so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Definitely comment if you guys want to see more videos with low porosity type 3 hair. But till we meet again, peace. And before I go, I just wanted to come back and share this with you. Like always, I like to give you guys a little nugget of information and save you some coin. So Sally is having a sale online only where all shampoos, conditioners, and treatments are buy one, get one half off. And yes, that includes the Miracle Drops by Kaleidoscope BB Judy. So you guys make sure you stock up before the sale ends.